In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make slowed and reverb audio effects in CapCut. We're creating that dreamy, vibey sound you hear in edits and remixes by slowing the track slightly and adding spacious reverb. Start by opening CapCut. You can use the web version in your browser or the mobile or desktop app. The controls we need are available in both. Once you're in, create a new project and choose the 16:9 aspect ratio. That widescreen canvas is a great default for platforms like YouTube and most desktop previews, and it gives you plenty of room if you're pairing the audio with visuals later. Now, add your audio. Import the song, beat, or voiceover you want to transform and place it on the timeline. Headphones are helpful here so you can clearly hear the changes. Click to select the audio clip so the editing options appear. Next, open the speed controls. We're going for a clean, even slowdown, so adjust the speed slider to 0.8. That's about a 20% slowdown, just enough to give the audio weight and space without warping it too much. Take a moment to play it back. You should hear the track relax and breathe, but still stay understandable and musical. With the clip still selected, go to Voice Changer. This is where we'll add the reverb flavor. Choose the preset called Mic Hog. This preset adds a bold, roomy echo that works really well for a slowed aesthetic, especially on vocals and atmospheric tracks. To fine-tune that space, adjust the room size to 0.7. Room size controls how big the virtual space sounds. Lower values feel tighter, higher values feel like a larger hall. At 0.7, you'll get a lush tail that enhances emotion without drowning the original performance. Listen back and focus on the decay after words and beats. The tail should fade naturally while keeping the main audio clear. A couple of quick tips as you preview. If any parts feel too boomy, make sure your original audio isn't clipping, and consider starting from a clean, high-quality file. Also, let the effect breathe. Pauses and sustained notes really showcase the slowed and reverb vibe. If your timeline includes visuals, you'll notice that this sound pairs well with gentle motion and longer cuts. And that's it. By opening CapCut, creating a new 16.9 project, adding your audio, setting the speed to 0.8, applying the Mic Hog voice changer, and dialing room size to 0.7, you've built a classic slowed and reverb effect that's ready for your edit. Play through your track, make sure it feels consistent, and enjoy the new atmosphere you've created.